Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine molecular geometry of PF5, which is a chemical formula of phosphorus pentafluoride. To understand its molecular geometry, we are first going to look at its Lewis structure. This is the Lewis structure of PF5, where phosphorus is forming single bond with 5 fluorine atom and there are no lone pairs on phosphorus. Before jumping to the final geometry, we will always look at the number of bonds central atom forms and the lone pairs attached to it, as both affects the final molecular geometry of the compound. If we look at the 3D structure of this molecule, we can see that PF5 has trigonal bipyramidal molecular geometry. This shape can be understood by the name itself. This is the trigonal plane and there are 2 fluorine atoms perpendicular to the plane. So we named it as bipyramidal. So these 3 particular bonds are at angle of 120 degrees and these 2 fluorine atoms are at 90 degrees to the trigonal plane. Let us now use Axn notation method to see if we are on the right track. Here A stands for the central atom, X are the number of atoms that are forming bonds with the central atom, and N is the number of lone pairs of electron present on the central atom. Here we have phosphorus as the central atom, there are 5 fluorine atoms attached to it and no lone pairs of electron. Now that gives us a notation of AX5. If we refer to this table, we can see that the molecules that have AX5 formula have trigonal bipyramidal shape with bond angle of 90 degrees and 120 degrees as explained earlier, and the hybridization is sp3. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.